video is based on a potential breakdown setup for CHS Chico's Phase Corporation, a company of the consumer cyclical sector and apparel stores. Here off the daily interval, we have these two key primary hidden uptrend lines here off the flash crash of COVID, with plenty and continuous reactionary highs and lows to strengthen and help validate that massive inflection point, in my opinion, coinciding with a 505 price support and 200-day moving average, which will more than likely hover underneath right below, and call it a triple line of resistance. And we have this huge volume at price indicator indicating that the vast majority of the masses have bought this stock price up in this range. So again, I would only expect a very powerful move once and if and when broken. We put in a beautiful divergent high setup, beautiful divergent high with a minor primary uptrend line breakdown setup. We've put in an official sell signal, solid red candle close, the 50 exponential moving average hovering right underneath below here. It needs to be respected at all cost. But again, I suspect only a slice right through and maybe a back test of that 562 support for an 8% crash, maybe a small counter trend snapback rally. And I would only expect that to be broken in a potential revisit back test of the primary hidden trend lines and secondary trend line there, coinciding with the 505 price support there. If and when it happens, you're talking about a good 17% crash. And if we snap that, I would only expect a highly volatile, powerful move down to 442 price support for a 28% crash there on a potential death cross continuation pattern between the 200-day and 50-day moving average there. And again, you stretch this thing back. I cannot stress enough how many times on this channel in previous videos these hidden trend lines have snapped and had a huge velocity move in each direction, whether it's computer-based, algorithm-based, and or human big institutional-based. We've snapped this, came right down below there for a 33% crash when we broke right above it, snapped it up for 63% in gains of a rally, snapped it again, had a 232% on cue rally, and I suspect only a huge and powerful move, if broken,